Dear students, so this is standard 7 and this is chapters motion and time. Subject is science. Okay, so today we'll discuss all question answer in this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start. So first is true and false. You can see here, and you just read. You can write your question from your textbook. So this is your answer. First is A is true. Time to answer. This is time to answer. Okay, not textbook question answer. This is time to answer. So true, false. So first A true, then B true, C false, then D true, E false. Then next time to answer, circle the correct word among the two given in bold to make correct sentence. So first is straight, then B hochi x axis, C hochi non uniform, then D time is equal to distance by speed, then speedometer. Then come to the textbook question answer. So multiple choice question answer. So A first I, B second I, C is third I, D is IV, E is second I, F is second I. Okay, then fill in the blanks. So first A is non-uniform, then B is distance time, C is speed, D is Galilei, then E is time period. Okay, then question number 3. A is true, B is true, C is true, D is true, E is true, F is only one number is false, F. Then very short answer type question. So first is motion, second is hourglass, C is bob, D is second, E is odometer. Okay, now come to the short answer type question. Okay, short answer type question. So first answer is the act of moving to and fro over the center point is called oscillation. Pendulum clock shows oscillatory movement. Then B, the time taken for the pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its time period. Then C, stopwatches are used to measure small intervals of time. It is popularly used in spirit events. D, a distance time graph indicates how distance traveled by a moving object changes with time. It has two axes or lines that are perpendicular to each other. Then the type of motion in which a moving object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time is called non-uniform motion. Then this is question number 6, long answer type question. So first is the objects that are moving at a slow speed are said to be in slow motion, whereas the objects that are moving at a fast speed are said to be fast motion. Objects like cars, scooters, buses, motorbikes, etc. move fast, while objects like a bicycle move slow. It is easy to compare which vehicle is moving faster than other if they are moving in same direction. For example, while traveling in a bus or car, you can compare which vehicle is moving faster or slower as compared to the vehicle in which you are traveling. You can also classify some motions as fast or slow without comparing their motion with other things. Then uniform motion. B is uniform motion. The type of motion in which a moving object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time is called uniform motion. For example, a car moving at a constant speed of 50 km per hour covers equal distance of 50 km every 1 hour, 25 km in every half an hour, and 12.5 km in every 15 minutes. Okay, thus it moving in a uniform motion. Then come to the non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, this is uniform motion, this is non-uniform motion. The type of motion in which a moving object covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time is called non-uniform motion. For example, a car moving a busy road shows a non-uniform motion. Then C. Different types of clocks used by earlier peoples are: first is sundial. First is sundial. Okay, sundial. A sundial worked on the principle that the position and the length of the shadow cast by an object changes with position of the sun in the sky. Then come to the sand clock. The sand clock works on the principle that a definite amount of sand takes a constant time to fall from the upper chamber to the lower chamber. This constant time was taken as a unit measurement of time, which was called an hour. Then come to the pendulum clock. Come to the pendulum clock. Pendulum clock. So pendulum clock was also used to measure time. It takes a fixed time to complete one oscillation. The to and fro movement of swinging pendulum is called oscillation. A pendulum is used in a pendulum clock. Then D. The point that should be kept in mind while plotting a graph are as follows. First point, choose a scale so as to utilize the maximum part of the graph paper. Keep in mind the difference between the highest and the lowest values of each quantity. Keep in mind the intermediate values of each quantity so that the scale chosen is convenient to mark the values of the graph, and mark the values of the time and distance on the respective axis according to the scale chosen. Then join all the marked points with pencil extending the line to 0 second and 0 distance, that is point O. So this is your time and the distance graph you can see here. And always remember, um, the uniform motion is always be straight line, and non-uniform motion must be curved. Okay, so graph is curved and graph is straight line. Now this is speed is equal to distance by time. So here is 12 meter by 9 second, so 1.33 meter per second. Then here is some problems, some numerical problems we can solve here. So time taken by car to travel from Delhi to Agra is 3 hours. So distance between Delhi to Agra is 180 kilometers. So we know average speed is distance by time. So distance हमें क्या मिला ना 180. So divide by time कितना मिला था हमें 3 आवर. So 3 6 18. So 0. So कितना मिला 60 किलोमीटर per hour. So this is your answer, 60 kilometer per hour. Now, so total distance covered by a body in a car, so 350 किलोमीटर and average speed दे दिया इतना 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो टाइम कितना दे मिलेगा. सो हम क्या जानते हैं, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाई टाइम. तो हमें यहाँ पर जो टोटल डिस्टेंस मिल गया इतना और स्पीड मिल गया इतना, तो स्पीड हो गया हमारा 50 और डिस्टेंस हमें कितना मिल गया 350 किलोमीटर. और हमें यहाँ पे जो मिला है और टाइम कितना दिया नहीं, तो दिया नहीं मतलब कि मैं टी को यहाँ पे ले लेता हूँ 50 को यहाँ पे ले आता हूँ. सो टी इज इक्वल टू, डिवाइड हुआ था मल्टीप्लाई हो गया और ये मल्टीप्लाई हुआ था डिवाइड हो जाएगा. सो 350/50. सो 0 0 कट गया तो 5 7 जा. सो टाइम कितना हो गया 7. यहाँ पे क्या दिया है आवर, अंडरस्टैंड 7 आवर. अगर मैं जो कर रहा हूँ इसको देखोगे तो समझ में आ जाएगा, इसको देखने का ज़रूरत नहीं। ओके अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो पीछे बैक कर सकते हो और इसको पॉज करके देख सकते हो मैंने क्या करा है यहाँ पे। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, द स्पीड एट विच गर्ल्स राइड ए साइकिल। सो स्पीड हमें मिल गया 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर। टाइम टेकन बाई गर्ल रीच, सो टाइम भी मिल गया। और तो देखिए यहाँ पे एक चीज़ है किलोमीटर पर आवर, और यहाँ पे मिनट दे दिया। इधर आवर को मिनट में कर दो या मिनट को आवर में कर दो। तो यहाँ पे ये इसने क्या करा ना, मिनट को आवर में कर दिया। आवर करने से 20/60 आवर हो जाएगा मिनट। ओके, तो यहाँ पर 2/6 आवर मिल गया हमें। 20 मिनट 2/6 आवर। सो डिस्टेंस क्या का फॉर्मूला क्या है वही। सो स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम हो गया। तो मैं डिस्टेंस अगर रखूँ स्पीड इनटू टाइम हो जाएगा ये, नहीं। सो डी डिस्टेंस पूछा है तो हमें स्पीड कितना दिया है, ये जो स्पीड दिया है कितना 18, और टाइम कितना मिला 2/6 आवर। 6 3 जा, सो 3 2 जा इज इक्वल टू 6 किलोमीटर। सो इसको पॉज करके तुम लोग लिख लेना है। So the distance Raghav walked 270 meters. Time taken by Raghav to reach to the market from his house 3 minutes. So मिनट को यहाँ पे सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया। 3 × 60 या 180 सेकेंड्स। स्पीड ऑफ वॉकिंग राघव इज इतना। स्पीड मतलब कि हमें क्या मिला था, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम ना। सो डिस्टेंस हमें कितना मिला 270, और टाइम मिला क्या 3 × 60। 3 × 60 0 0 कट गया तो 3 9 जा, और 3 3 जा 9, 3 2 जा, मतलब कि 3/2 है। 3/2। सो 3/2 को अगर हम डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से काटेंगे 2 1 जा 2 5 जा 1.5 होगा आंसर। 1.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड। ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर ई। तो स्पीड हमें मिला, टाइम मिला, और डिस्टेंस पूछा है। सो हमें वही फॉर्मूला स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम। तो स्पीड हमें कितना मिल गया ना 60, और डिस्टेंस हमें दिया नहीं, इसको रहने दो। और टाइम हमें मिला 5 आवर। 5 आवर। तो ये डिवाइड हुआ था, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा। डी इज इक्वल टू 60 × 5 300 किलोमीटर। सो दिस इज योर आंसर। यू कैन पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड राइट योर आंसर। दैट्स इट, यहीं पे एंड हो जाता है। अच्छा, आप लोगों ने आज ही मुझे बोला कि ये चाहिए, तो मैं बहुत मेहनत करके इसको करा हूँ। तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। ओके, थैंक यू।